Hello everyone, welcome to Akosia's Tasty Recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So for the past 2 days, I have been seeing a lot of jollof rice on social media, and then I have been craving so bad. The worst was yesterday when one of my sisters, Cook with Naki, also posted jollof rice whilst I was in bed. So I said, okay, I'm going to make jollof rice, but I'm not ready to go through the long process because I'm tired. So I have some leftover soup, the goat meat soup I made last time. Yes, so I'm going to turn it into a jollof rice, okay? So stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so in a pot I'll be adding some cooking oil and some white sliced onions. You can use a red one, which is fine, and then stir fry for a few minutes and go ahead and add ginger garlic paste. Okay, stir, and then add some bay leaves and then some rosemary to improve the flavor of your jollof rice. Once it's done, then go ahead and add tomato paste. Mix and then add some chili powder or cayenne pepper. All right, depending on how hot you want your jollof rice. So I added 2 teaspoons, then mix everything together, and then to the main thing, add your soup. It can be goat meat lice soup, fish lice soup, anything, and then mix everything together and then cover and allow it to cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Okay, so after 10 minutes, this is our stew. Okay, it smells so good already. So I'll be adding some black pepper, curry powder, some beef seasoning, and then mix everything together. Then another thing that I'll be adding is chicken stock. I bought it in the supermarket. You can use that, or you can even buy chicken broth. It has flavor, and then it will improve the flavor of your jollof rice. So mix everything together and then cover and give it extra 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, now I'll add some corned beef. It's also a leftover corned beef I use for my sandwich. You can use anything that you want, and then go ahead and add your rice. So what I'm using is basmati rice, but you can use any rice of your choice. Mix everything together, add salt to taste, and then also add water that will be enough for your rice, okay? Depending on how you want your rice. So just mix everything together and then cover and allow it to cook until the water evaporates. Okay, so it took about 8 minutes for all the water to evaporate. So I'll give it a quick mix, and then you have to cover with aluminum foil for the heat to cook the rice. Okay, at this point you would want to put your fire on low heat and allow it to cook gently. Okay, so the rice has been on the fire for about 10 minutes now, so I'm just going to stir again. Jollof rice really needs attention, okay? Yes, so give it a quick mix again, and then I'll cover and give it extra 10 minutes. Okay, so after the extra 10 minutes, the jollof is ready. Yes, it smells so good, trust me. Imagine combining all these things together to achieve this result. Oh my goodness, I think this is the best jollof ever, and I really love everything about it. Just turn off the heat and then serve. Okay, so this is the jollof. I'm going to just put it in my dish. And then I also made some barbecue chicken, which I'll be sharing the recipe with you later. And then I made some Ghana salad as well. I will be uploading all those videos later, so stay connected and stay tuned whilst you watch that recipe. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. All right, thank you very much. Take care. I love you all. Bye.